Hey guys, in this quick video we're going to show you how to change a battery for a Dyson V6. First, you want to push down on the red button once and then twice, and then your dustbin should just come off like that. So after taking the dustbin off, there is two screws that you want to take out with just a normal a screwdriver. There's one screw here and there's one screw here. So now let's take the screws out. And then, once the screws are out, just lift it up. And now, this is all the batteries that we sell on our website, Dyson Genuine V6 batteries. All like new batteries have been fully tested. I will grab one and we will put it in. So just obviously click it in. And now we just put the screws back in. Dustbin? No. And now, since the screws are back in, you just need to put the dustbin in. Now you need to make sure that you are aligning this in correctly with the connector, otherwise it will not go in. And there you go. It's clicked in. On this channel, I share simple tips and DIY fixes for Dyson V6, from attachments to maintenance tricks. If you'd like to keep your Dyson running like new, consider subscribing for more.